Freelance digital marketing. What is it? What does it entail? And what is the number one secret that separates the amateurs from the pros? All that plus more in this episode. Greetings, online kings and queens. I'm the Affiliate King, here to help you achieve freedom and live like royalty through your business online. Let's talk about freelancing for digital marketing. As a digital marketer, your duty is to bring attention to and spread the message of a business's product or service. But what if you get stuck having to digitally market something that you don't like, or worse, something that actually doesn't matter? Yeah, they may pay you pretty good, but ultimately that's not what you really want to be spending your time doing. And at a job, you don't have a choice. But as an independent or freelance digital marketer, you can choose what you want to promote. Your work comes off much more genuine because you actually enjoy what you're doing. And the best news of all is that there are millions of job openings because every business could always use more traffic. All you have to do is reach out to them. Also, if you don't have a degree in digital marketing or in business, it's not the end of the world. As a remote freelance digital marketer, if you know how to drive traffic and get conversions, any business will welcome you with open arms, degree or no degree. But the catch is, you actually have to be good enough. And that may not be as hard as you might think it is. With the right guidance and mentor, you could easily get better results than any degree-owning specialist that isn't as good as you. What matters most is what you know how to do. And there is no better place to learn from than a 7 to 8 figure mentor that actually practices what he or she preaches. I know what you're thinking, but don't worry. I know the best of the best and where to find the number one secret that separates the amateurs from the pros. I want to give you that training 80% off, plus a community of thriving and successful digital marketers, and plus another super special elite gift, which is my 24-hour Google ranking system, which will allow you to rank your business at the top of Google and YouTube for years to come. Imagine how much you could charge as a freelance digital marketer if you knew how to rank businesses to the top of YouTube and Google in under 24 hours. You name your price. Matter of fact, drop a comment down below of how much you think that you would be able to charge for this service. I'm interested in knowing what you think. And lastly, I'm here to shed light on business secrets that only the elite know. My goal is to take you from where you are in your business and show you how to achieve freedom and live like royalty. If that sounds good to you, kings and queens, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for more content just like this. In the next video, we'll develop an understanding of the 5 main benefits of digital marketing and how you can achieve freedom and success. I look forward to seeing you then. It's the Affiliate King.